Good morning, friends. Today we are starting with exercise question, that is question number 8. Hope you are doing fine. Hope you are enjoying the day and you are doing continuous practice. Question number 8, I am reading for you. Abha and Beena are the partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 2:1. You know what I want to say? 2:1 means what? It's an old ratio, right? No, 2:1. It's what? Old ratio. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2017 as under. Capital. So where we have to go with capital? It is in partners capital. General reserve, accumulated profit. Workman compensation reserve, accumulated profit. Investment fluctuation reserve, accumulated profit. Creditors and bills payable. Creditors and bills payable, it's a liability. Goodwill, what we have to do? We have to write off. Land and building, machinery, stock, debtor, investment. These are all what? Asset. Cash and bank के debit में लिखना. Advertisement campaign expenditure, it's an accumulated loss. So what they are saying about, they admitted a new partner. The new partner name is what? Rushil. They admitted Rushil as a new partner from 1/4/2017 on the following condition. So what is the condition? Rushil will bring 1 lakh as his capital and 24,000 as goodwill in cash. So hope you are remembering now, we are in the exercise question. So when the goodwill is brought in cash, so what you have to do? We have to go for two journal entries. So what are the two journal entries? Cash account debited to premium for goodwill and premium for goodwill account debited to sacrificing partners. Now they are saying land and building is to be increased by 17,000. So land and building tick. Machine is to be decreased up to 32,000. Machine. Provision for bad debt reserve is to be kept at 10% on debtors. Debtors. Provision for outstanding electricity bill that we have to do by our own. New profit and loss ratio. The new ratio is given to us. So with the help of this, we calculate the sacrifice ratio. From the following thing, prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, cash, bank and balance sheet. So we are starting with the sum, friends. The first thing I am going to do is what? First thing we are going to do is to calculate the sacrifice ratio and the goodwill, right? Yes, so give the heading, calculation of sacrifice ratio, the first heading. Calculation of sacrifice ratio. So what is the formula? Formula is old ratio minus new ratio. So first of all, the name, A. A sacrifice ratio. So what is A's old ratio? Old is 2:1. So 2/3. 2/3 minus 2:1:2. That 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5. So minus 2/5. So now cross multiply we can do. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6 and total comes 15. So it comes 4/15, that is A sacrifice. Now comes Bina, that is B sacrifice, that is 1/3 minus 1/5. 5 minus 3/15, that is 2/15. So the sacrifice ratio comes to 4:2. So we can say 2:1. Sacrifice ratio 2:1. That is clear. Now the second is they want to say regarding the point of goodwill. 24,000 as goodwill in cash. So what is the journal entry? The first journal entry that we are going to make is cash account debited to premium for goodwill. To premium for goodwill. That comes 24,000. And number 2 is premium for goodwill account debited to A's capital account to B's capital account. And the sacrifice ratio is 2:1. So let's see. 24,000 into 2 divided by 3. 16,000. 8,000. Right? So I think the main working is over now. Now we can start the sum. So let's see the accounts. The first account we have to prepare, revaluation account for the ending 2016. Debit, credit. Partners capital account, A, B and R. Debit, credit. Cash bank account, the same way, debit and credit. And lastly, we come to balance sheet, liability, amount and asset. So let's start the topic. The first thing we can see is a capital A and B. So where we have to go? Partners capital credit side. Partners capital credit side by balance brought forward. Amount comes to us 80,000 and 60,000. I'm just trying to keep the textbook here so I can easily see the amount. Otherwise it becomes very difficult for me. Yes, I'm just setting here. Yes, that is good. So capital comes to 80 and 60. So here I write 80,000 and then comes 60,000. Then I can see its general reserve is 18,000. Accumulated profit. So where we have to go? Partners capital by general reserve. And the ratio accumulated is 2:1. So start doing 18,000 into 2 divided by 3. 12,000. 6,000. Workman compensation reserve. The same thing, accumulated profit by workman compensation reserve. That also 2:1. 4,500. 4,500 into 2 divided by 3. It comes 3,000 and 1,500. Okay. Then comes investment fluctuation reserve, and there is no point regarding investment. So no problem, we can distribute by investment fluctuation reserve. 2:1. That is the old ratio. Sorry, 1,500 into 2 divided by 3. 1,000 and 500. Creditors and bill payable. 100% liability. So first we have to go to balance sheet and there we have to write the capital. So first we write capital, partner's name, Abha, Bina, third is the Rushil. So after capital we can write creditors, any tick mark? No. Outer column 28,000. Bills payable, here also no tick mark, outer column 12,000. Goodwill. Goodwill, we know it's an intangible asset, we have to write off. So we have to go to partners capital debit and there we have to write to goodwill. Ratio again, it's an old ratio 2:1. So let's see. 18,000 into 2 divided by 3. 12,000. 6,000. Right. Land and building. Now what is that? 100% it's an asset. Land and building. Tick mark is there. Inner column 72,000. One tick, one line. Machinery. Machinery 40,000. Tick mark is there. One tick, one line. Stock. In stock, no tick mark is there. So outer column we go for 36,000. Debtors, inner column 24,000 minus bad debt reserve, it's already been given 2,000. Investment, no tick mark is there. Outer column 8,000. Cash and bank. Cash and bank debit side to balance brought forward 2,000. Advertisement campaign expenditure. It's a loss for us. So on debit to advertisement expenditure 6,000. Which ratio? 2:1. 2:1. So 6,000 into 2 divided by 3. 4,000. 2,000. Right? So here completes the advertisement expenditure. Now we are going for the first point. Yes, the first point. Rushil will bring 1 lakh as capital. So cash account debited to Rushil's capital. So cash के debit में to Rushil's capital. How much he is bringing? 1 lakh. And that we have to transfer in partners capital credit side by cash. In Rushil column it come 1 lakh. And 24,000 as goodwill in cash. So cash account debited to premium for goodwill. That is 24,000. That we have to distribute in partners capital by premium for goodwill. And we have passed the amount 16 and 8,000. 16,000, 8,000. Okay. After that, value of land and building is to be increased by 17,000. So go to land and building. They are saying increase. So plus increase 17,000. So it comes to 89,000. Clear? And that we have to write it on revaluation credit side. It increased by building 17,000. Machine is to be decreased up to 32,000. Go to machine. Up to 32,000 minus decrease 8,000. It's a loss. Revaluation debit side to machine 8,000. Yes. Provision for bad debt is to be kept at 10% on debtors. So 10% means what? It comes 2,400. 2,400. So 24,000 minus 2,400. It comes 21,600 plus 400. That means extra we have to give 400, and that is loss for us. To bad debt reserve 400. Provision for outstanding electricity bill is to be made at 1,100. That means we have to pay light bill. It's an expense. So to electricity bill, it's an expense, that's why on the debit side. 1100 plus same side balance sheet liability electricity bill 1100. The new ratio is given to us. Already I completed that one, right? So now we have to tally this particular sum. So what we have learned, first is the capital. We have written in partners capital. General reserve that we have transferred to partners capital. Why? Accumulated profit. Workman compensation reserve. What is that? That is also accumulated profit. That also distributed. Investment fluctuation reserve. That is also accumulated profit. Creditors and bills payable. Now what is that? It's a liability. Goodwill, we have to write off that. That also we have done. Land and building, it's an asset. Machinery, it's an asset. Stock, asset. Debtors, asset. Investment, asset. Cash and bank, we have written on the cash and bank debit side. Advertisement campaign expenditure means what? It's an accumulated loss. So up to there you have completed. Now it's the topic. Rushil will bring 1 lakh as his capital. So this 1 lakh as capital means we have to write on the cash account debited to Rushil's capital. Okay. And 24,000 as goodwill in cash. So cash account debited to premium for goodwill. First entry. Second is premium for goodwill account debited to sacrifice. And for that we have done this calculation. So first we have done the sacrifice ratio A and B, right? And then the second entry we have done the transformation. Cash to premium for goodwill, and number 2 is premium for goodwill to A's and B's. After that, what we have done, the first adjustment is land and building is to be increased. So plus किया और revaluation के credit में. Value of machine is to be decreased. मशीन को कम किया और रिवैल्यूएशन के डेबिट में. बैड डेट रिजर्व वो भी हमने दिया डेटर्स पे. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल 1100 नुकसान. So now we are going to tally this sum. Let's see. Credit total, it comes to 17,000. Here also it comes 17,000. चलो minus करो. 17,000 minus 8,000 minus 400 minus 1100 7500. यहाँ लिखेंगे 2 पार्टनर्स कैपिटल. किस किस के नाम पे जाना चाहिए? अभा दीना. कौन सा रेशियो है अपने पास? 2:1. So 7500 into 2 divided by 3. 5000, 5000. और यहाँ पे भी 2000. 5 and 2. इसे ट्रांसफर करेंगे हम पार्टनर्स कैपिटल के क्रेडिट साइड. पार्टनर्स कैपिटल के क्रेडिट साइड पे हम लिखेंगे. राइट. क्या लिखना है? बाय रिवैल्यूएशन 5000 and 2000. चलो टोटल करते हैं. 80,000, 12,000, 3,000, 1,000, 16,000 and 5,000. बोलो कितना टोटल आया? यस 1,17,000. डी का करो. 60,000, 6,000, 1,500, 500, 8,000, 2,000, 78,000. 60, 6, 15, 5, 8 and 2. 78. क्रेडिट में आर का रुशील का टोटल कम्स टू 1 लाख। यही टोटल हम सामने लिखेंगे अब। राइट डाउन 1,17,000। इट्स अ बोर्ड क्वेश्चन, ये बोर्ड क्वेश्चन है और बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है, क्योंकि इसमें गुडविल में रेशियो रिलेटेड कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं पूछा है, सो इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी। सो 1,17,000, 78,000 और टोटल देगा 1 लाख। यहाँ लिखेंगे टू बैलेंस कैरीड फॉरवर्ड। टोटल करो 1,17,000 minus 12,000 minus 4,000, 1,01,000. 78,000 minus 6 minus 2, 70,000। और यहाँ पे आपको टोटल आ जाएगा 1 लाख। सो दिस इज अवर क्लोजिंग बैलेंस। ये हमारा क्या आया, क्लोजिंग बैलेंस। अब ये कहाँ लिखना है हमें, बैलेंस शीट। अभा का कितना आया, 1,01,000। अभा comes to 1,01,000. Beena comes to 70,000 and Rushil comes to 1 lakh. अब टोटल करो 1,01,000, 70,000, 1 lakh, 2,71,000. कैश एंड बैंक का टोटल 2,000 plus 1 lakh plus 24. Total comes to 1,26,000. टोटल भी वही आएगा 1,26,000। इसे माइनस करो, यू विल गेट अ गैप। यहाँ लिखेंगे बाय बैलेंस कैरीड फॉरवर्ड 1,26,000. That balance we have to write here, cash 1,26,000. अब जरा टोटल चेक करते हैं। 2,71,000 plus 28,000 plus 12,000 plus 1,100. Three one two 100. Here comes 89,000, 32,000, 36,000, 21,600, 8,000 and 1,26,000. 312,600. Just 1 minute. 2,71,000 total. 28,000. Gap of 500 is coming out. Plus 1,100. 312,100. Okay, I'm just saying. Yes. So I have done some mistake here, and I have get the mistake. The mistake is that here, what I have done here, you can see that I have written 2,000, but actually it is how much? 25. So I'm just writing with red pen, you get understand. So it comes 2,500, right? No? Now we are changing, okay, 2,500. So that we are transferring here. 25. 78,500. Here comes 70,500. So 70,500. Here it comes 275. You just see what is just a silly mistake that I have done. I not added 500. So it comes 312,600. So here also make the total 89,000 plus 32,000 plus 36,000 plus 21,600 plus 8,000 plus 1,26,000. So here also it comes 312,600. So clear? So always remember that if you do a silly mistake, it's very difficult to find it out. So here I have done just a mistake of 500. Okay. So I think it's very easy for your question. So practice this one. In next period, we are going to take the question number 9, Asta and Ahana. It's a good one. Capital, compensation fund. It's an accumulated profit, no? Investment fluctuation fund depends on the investment. Provident fund is 100% liability. While bad debt reserve, from debtors we have to deduct it. Creditors and bills payable, it's a liability. Goodwill, it's an asset that we have to distribute, written off. Land and building, machinery, investment, data, stock, cash. Advertisement, campaign, expenditure, it's a, what we can say, it's an accumulated loss. Profit and loss, it's also accumulated loss. Adjustment. Sonu will bring 80,000 as capital and 72,000 as a share of goodwill in cash. So that is important. Goodwill in cash means, you know, two entries we have to pass. Cash to premium, premium to sacrificing partners. New ratio is 4:3:3. Goodwill is valued. When this point is there, we have to see that how much actual share of Sonu is there, and whatever he brings for cash, we have to adjust it. The workman compensation accepted at 3,200. Ahana is taking over investment at 19,200. Accrued interest on investment is 2,400. Bill payable 2,000. Land and building, insurance premium. Okay. Okay then. Thank you for the particular class. Next period, we ready with question number 9.